can't wait to close. I would say the thing I'm most excited about is we recently hired a new community manager to step in and take over at Grand Riviera. One thing that was unfortunate when we began the due diligence process for Grand Riviera is that the current ownership, Eagle, declined to allow us to interview the on-site staff, which means they have a good team and they like their team and they want to keep that team and take them somewhere else after the sale, which is fine. It's fair. I'm not upset about it whatsoever. It's what I would do too. But that leaves us needing to restaff the property, which has its own challenges. Obviously, staffing is a lot of work, and you got to find the right team for the property, and you're kind of starting fresh. So rather than starting with a team that already has experience with the asset, experience with the tenants, and all that, you have to start fresh. So you really need a rock-solid team to be able to go in and do that. And so I'm super excited to say that I have full confidence in the new community manager that we're bringing on board to spearhead this project. And she's a rock star. She actually managed Grand Riviera before. So she has experience with the asset. She's got years of experience, and she's already assembled her rock star team to take us where we need to go. So, for example, she's got her maintenance team ready to go, maintenance supervisor, assistant maintenance supervisor, and make ready. And we're making sure that team is ready to go to do the renovations in-house. And she's prepared to do that. The maintenance team is prepared to do that. So that's going to save us a ton of money by being able to order the supplies and be able to do granite installs, backsplash, hardware, flooring, lighting, paint, and we don't need to bring in a GC to do all this work and charge a premium.
So you say community managers. For those who maybe don't understand the phrasing, because different names and organizations can mean different things. So Rob, can you just break down at a high level what a community manager is, what it might be from a title perspective to another company, and what their roles and responsibilities will be during the ongoing management of the property?
Yeah, that's a really good question, actually. We like to call them community managers because we prefer to view our assets as communities rather than properties, right? That's the community itself, and the people, whether it be the residents and the team, are really what make the investment successful. So the community manager, also known at many companies as a property manager, is kind of the head honcho from an on-site perspective. So they're the leader of the on-site team. They oversee the maintenance team as well as the office team, which usually a community manager, in our parlance, is supported by an assistant community manager and a leasing agent. That'll be your typical setup. And we're actually trying to kind of innovate and start calling our community managers community executive officers, and really getting them to start thinking in the CEO mindset and think like an owner and act like an owner.